Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like to write an email?
Yes, I do, because it is an effective way for me to communicate with others and allows me to organize my thoughts and ideas in an easily accessible format.
Question number 2. How often do you write emails?
I typically write emails several times a week, though I may write several emails in a single day on occasion.
Question number 3. Do you keep your emails?
Yes, I keep my emails because I find it useful to be able to go back and recall conversations or find links and information I've previously shared.
Question number 4. How often do you check your email?
I check my email several times a day. It's a good way for me to stay on top of conversations and messages that require a response.
Question number 5. Do you think emails are useful?
Yes, I believe that emails are a very useful communication tool. They are quick and easy to use, and they provide quick access to important conversations and documents.
Question number 6. Do you send and receive emails regularly?
Yes, I do, because it is an efficient way for me to stay in touch with people and get important information quickly.
Question number 7. Do you think it is essential to reply to emails quickly?
Yes, I believe it is critical to respond to emails promptly because it is important to show respect to the sender by responding promptly, and it helps to keep conversations moving forward.
Question number 8. Do you think it is easier to write an email?
Yes, I believe that writing an email is generally easier than talking on the phone or having a face-to-face conversation. Writing an email allows you to carefully craft your thoughts while also having the convenience of sending it quickly.
Question number 9. Do you think email might one day replace handwritten letters?
I believe that email will eventually replace handwritten letters. Email allows you to send messages quickly from any location and to a large number of people all at once. It is possible that this will eventually replace handwritten letters.
Question number 10. What kind of email did you receive recently that made you happy?
I received an email recently from a former colleague who had recently been promoted. He thanked me for my assistance and support throughout his career, and it made me very happy to see that he had met his objectives. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.